We have a new listing once again, and this one is in Rio Tower. It's a 760 square meter land na nasa gitna siya ng Ortigas Center, BGC, and Mandaluyong. Ang style niya is Asian contemporary and marami siyang perks, no? Since ang developer nito is DMCI, they're known as a resort type development. As you can see here, it's a high rise development but medium to low density. Nandito, pumasok nga ako sa loob. Ang dami nilang open spaces. May 24-hour security. Mamaya makikita nyo yung children's playground. May sarili itong convenience store, may entertainment room, meeting room, may laundry station. Maganda siya, no? May CCTV cameras. And the fact that it's in the middle of the major city centers, this is going to be a nice area. Showing here is a children's playground. Ito naman yung open spaces sa taas. And syempre, dito na tayo sa room na ito. So again, this unit is for rent. Ideal po ito for some mga current market namin, usually foreign workers na dito mag-stay. Meron na siyang fridge, may cabinet. It can sleep up to 4 people. Ayan po, nakikita nyo may bunk bed. So, it's an ideal location. At sa labas, makikita nyo, ang ganda rin naman, no? Nasa city center kayo. And yes, I hope that magustuhan niyo yung property na to and let us know if you would like to check out some of our condominiums. Goodbye.